Hi, I'm Elle Simone, and today I'm going to show you how you can make creamy, decadent ricotta cheese right at home. First, line a colander with a triple layer of cheesecloth and place it in the sink. Next, take a third cup of lemon juice and a quarter cup of distilled white vinegar and combine them in a liquid measuring cup. Then set it aside. You don't need it quite yet. Now, add 2 teaspoons of salt and 1 gallon of whole milk to a Dutch oven. Make sure you're using fresh pasteurized milk, not ultra-pasteurized milk. That extra heat-treated stuff won't get us the right kind of curdle. Heat it over medium-high heat, then stir the milk frequently until it registers at 185 degrees. Then, take the pot off the heat and slowly stir in the lemon juice mixture. And get ready, because in about 15 seconds, the mixture is going to start to curdle. Now, sit back and relax. Let these curdles do their thing. For the next 5 to 10 minutes, let the mixture sit hands off so it can separate into solid curdles in translucent whey. After the mixture has separated, pour it into your colander. Leave the mixture alone again, this time for about 8 minutes. We want the whey to drain from the edge of the cheese, but the center to stay moist. Now, transfer the cheese to a large bowl. But be careful, you want to keep as much of the whey in the center of the cheese as you can. Stir the ricotta well to incorporate the rest of the whey and break up any larger curdles. Finally, chill the ricotta in the fridge for 2 hours before serving. Look how easy that was. You just made a rich and milky cheese that can be enjoyed in lasagna, cheesecake, or even by itself with some olive oil and pepper. It's always a treat. Thanks for watching. Tell us what you thought of this how-to in the comments below and hit that subscribe button.